Alright, we're back. Let's get to building some things, huh? Look at this chair here. It's going to sit right there in the center. Be able to swivel back and forth. Just like that. Kind of cool. I'm going to put it straight for now, and then I'm going to take these little barrels. I'm going to build me some legs for my desk here. Yep. 4 posts here. Okay, and then I'm going to take this, put this like that. Whoop. This is going to go like this. This is going to go like that. And then this is going to go like that. Bingo. Just like that. Yep. Then I'm going to take this piece, put it here. Then I'm going to take this piece. I'm going to take this piece. I'm going to put those like that. I'm going to take and put this here. Front of the desk here. And this is going to go right there. Oops. And not like that. Okay. Put this back here. Like that. Okay. So then yeah, okay, I got this. This needs to come back out of here, if I can do it. This goes here. So I'm putting these green sides in, which will actually make it a little bit longer. Put this back in like that. Voila! Then I'm going to put this like this. This here. Let's modify this piece right quick, and I'm going to put this one right here. Darn it all. There it goes. Okay. So I'm going to modify this right quick and then put it on there. I think I've got to go find my clippers. So I will finish this in the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright, Lego Fanatics, I had to modify the desk because I didn't have the right pieces, but that's okay. There's going to be a phone that sits there, really great detail on the side. Plus I put these barrels in that make it look really cool on both ends. And there's the door that goes there. And then these stacks of boxes. And like I said, I've got some cabinets on hold that will actually sit here. And that camera will sit on these boxes. So, you know, just trying to get it done, if you will, and get it all taken care of before my next care of builds, but I'm not buying from Temo anymore. Thanks for watching.